Welcome back, everyone. This is an update on the 50 1991 Force. I tightened up this bolt here to the torque spec of around 20 foot-pounds, and then I checked all the other ones. And I had noticed that the choke, I believe this is the choke, yellow, black, or green. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that's the choke. Had been disconnected. And also, I noticed that this wire here that has a number 4 on it was also disconnected because I saw it laying there, and then I just removed this whole assembly with these two bolts and checked out the wiring diagram and reinstalled it to there. And I took this little plug out right here. I had to tap it to get it out. This is a saltwater engine. And then I put a little bit of CLR in there and rinsed it out. And then I put some vinegar in there and rinsed it out. I just put a hose there and just forced water into it. Then I put it back together. And then I just hooked up my flush port to the bottom and hooked up a hose line with the Chrysler end. Choked it and cranked it, and it fired up, as you can see in the short video. So far, so good. Come back soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.